Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Wii U error code 150-3039. This error comes right when the Wii U is booted up. As per the reports, users are unable to proceed further because the error appears immediately on startup. According to our research, this error means there is a problem with the external storage device. It mostly occurs when you are using an external hard drive that doesn't have a separate dedicated power supply. In that case, the drive may not be getting enough power or may have other issues. First, try powering off your Wii U. Then disconnect your external hard drive and start the system without it. If the console works fine without the external drive, then shut it down again. Now reconnect your external hard drive and power on the console. If the error comes back, then the problem is with the hard drive. In that case, you should try using any other external storage device. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.